Hey there, friends! Welcome back to the channel, so glad you're here with me today. Smiling face with smiling eyes. We're diving into one of my absolute favorite spaces in the home, yep, the dining room. Whether you're working with a cozy nook or a grand entertaining space, today I'm going to walk you through some modern dining room design ideas that'll give your space a timeless, elegant feel, and don't worry, we're keeping it practical and doable too. So grab your coffee, tea, or a comfy seat, let's chat decor. Hot beverage sparkles. Let's start with the dining table. Now, tell me, do you have a rectangular table, round, maybe a glass one? Whatever shape you have, just make sure it suits the size of your room. For that timeless modern look, go for a sleek wood finish, or even marble if you're feeling a bit fancy. Glass tops? Super chic. And they can open up small spaces like magic. Chairs, next. You don't have to match everything perfectly anymore, mix it up a little. Try upholstered chairs on the ends and wood or metal ones on the sides. Trust me, that slight contrast looks so designer. Oh, and comfort? Always a priority. You want your guests to sit, eat, and stay for dessert, right? Lighting is a game changer. This is where I get excited. Starstruck. Go bold with a statement chandelier or a modern pendant light right above the table. If your space allows, something geometric or sculptural instantly adds drama and elegance. By the way, don't forget dimmers. Trust me on this, dinner parties feel 10 times cozier with soft lighting. Now, let's talk color palette. Modern doesn't have to mean cold. Think soft whites, warm neutrals, grayish tones, maybe even a touch of black for contrast. And if you're like me and love a bit of personality, add a bold art piece or some deep-colored curtains to spice things up. Wall decor, anyone? I'm a big fan of large framed art or a gallery wall in the dining area. Even a big round mirror can do wonders, makes the space feel bigger and bounces light beautifully. Got a bare wall? Add a floating shelf or two with a few candles, plants, or ceramic pieces. Simple but stunning. Centerpiece moment. Let's keep it fresh and seasonal. A low vase with fresh flowers, or maybe a bowl of lemons, or a cluster of candles. Keep it low so you can see your guests across the table, don't hide behind a jungle. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Pro tip, add texture. A woven rug under the table, linen table runners, ceramic plates. These little things make your space feel layered, lived in, and warm. And remember, you don't need to buy everything new, swap, DIY, thrift. Get creative with what you already have. So, tell me, which idea are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear how you're planning your dining room makeover. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and stylish home tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today, see you in the next one. Yellow heart. Until then, happy decorating.